He's looking down too. Look, you see how his head is slanted? Hello, Mr. Parrot. Or bird, or whatever you are. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet.
We're fighting.
Sometimes you can tell what kind of bird it is by the way it flies. Okay, straight and high, the flight pattern are egret, herons, and ducks, and more. Swooping, the flight pattern of songbirds. Rise and falls, parrots, woodpeckers, and quail. I've never seen a quail.
What's this?
No idea.
Keep it moving, it catches the bird. Y'all want to get pooped on?
Okay.
Then walk out.
Oh, there goes a bird. It just flew across. Look for shape, size, and color. Once you spot the bird, these feathers will help you identify them.
I've seen this parrot.
Yeah, large parrot, small parrot, songbird. I think I just saw a songbird go this way.
I heard.
Oh, look, there's a house thingy. I guess that's where they get their food. Oh, sorry. Sorry. It startled. It startled me. It just popped out of the tree. Mock parakeet. Oh, there go the berries. Oh, we're going higher and higher. No. Look, a bird. Where? Right there. It's ugly though. It looks fur. It's ugly.
Where?
It's fat. Ooh. Right there.
Reminds me of the one from Rio.
Yes.
Look at the bird, Nicolai.
Where? Oh, that's a nice bird. Right there.
Come on, eat my foot. Eat my foot.
I like that bird. What? She said eat my foot.
I don't think you would really want that.
Wait.
Oh, there goes a duck or whatever that is. Down there.
Why is a duck want to die? Why is a duck want to die?
It looks like a snake.
What?
Something over there looks like a snake.
Ew. Oh, look at these birds.
Look,
How we miss these?
You don't see
That's those? What's the snake?
Oh, they're right there. I'm calling you.
Hi, birdie. And birdie, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Hey, look at his head.
Yeah, look at that skinny one.
The brown ones are fat. What they feed them?
No idea.
Look at that.
Careful. Oh, wow, look at that big, beautiful parrot. Oh my gosh, it's so big. Did you see it? Dang, it's huge. Look, it's so big.
Where is it? Right there.
You know that burgundy lettuce that they make with, is that it?
No.
No?
Alright. At least it's not lettuce. You mean cabbage?
No, like.
Another parrot down here.
Oh, wow, look at this one. They're so big, though.
Oh, look, there's a little parakeet, something down here.
It's from Dora.
They're beautiful. I love parrots.
Those are beautiful. That yellow one.
they talk?
Yeah.
You want a cracker, Polly?
They're huge. Here's another one. It's closer. Oh, there's two. Don't touch it. They're twins. Maybe they're boyfriend and girlfriend. Or husband and wife.
Or a wife and a husband, or a sister and a brother.
Could be. Or a sister and a sister. Is he sleeping?
They use it.
No, his eye. He blinked. That is super cool. I'm not holding this child thing. Give her back.
I mean, I took the tether.
This is so cool.
That's 6'9" as a bird.
Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Hi, mister. Oh, yo, he's chill. Are you a girl or boy? Oh, Sophie. It's not Sophie. It's not Sophie's. Gigi. I mean, Fofo, that's yours. That is yours. Where is it? Oh my gosh, it's blue.
I told you.
Wow. That's so cool. They chose the right kind of birds. They're so colorful. No, this is grip. Yeah. All right.